Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make the corn cheese recipe. It's absolutely delicious and very easy to make. Kids especially love corn and they love cheese, so this is going to be a total hit with them. And this recipe goes very well with drinks as well. So when you are having guests over, this will become like your to-go recipe. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process. So guys, to make this easy peasy cheesy corn starter recipe, let's take 1 tablespoon of butter and add it to the pan. And then we are going to grease the pan with this butter, and once the butter has melted, then let's add 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, and then we are going to let it cook for about 2 minutes. Guys, the best part about this recipe is it doesn't require very fancy ingredients. Simple ingredients that are used in everyday house are the ones which we are going to use. So here I'm going to add 1 finely sliced green chili, followed by 2 tablespoons of chopped green capsicum, followed by 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red capsicum, which is bell pepper, and then we are going to cook it for the next 2 minutes. And guys, we don't need to cook all the vegetables all the way through. They still need to have a little crunch, so do not cook it more than 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we are going to add the star of this recipe, which is the boiled corn. So here I'm going to add about 2 cups of boiled corn, and we are going to give everything a good mix. So guys, when making this dish, make sure that the corn that you're using is nice and fresh. Using fresh corn will really elevate this recipe to another level. I'm telling you, tried and tested many times. So now let's add some salt as per our taste. Guys, be very careful while adding the salt, because the cheese that we are going to add also has some salt content in it. And after adding salt, we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of sugar. Yes, some sugar definitely makes this dish even better. And then we are going to mix everything and cook for 2 minutes. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. And guys, this is a Korean recipe, and basically whenever we go to a Korean restaurant, we without fail order this starter dish because it is absolutely blissful, and that is why I tried to recreate it in the house because it is one of our favorites. And now it's been 2 minutes, so let's add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and let's give everything a good mix. We are going to mix everything together till the time the mayonnaise gets nicely mixed in with each and every part of this corn. Also guys, you can always use some spoons to mix everything together and make your life easier. And now that everything is nicely mixed in and the corn is nicely coated with the mayonnaise, then I'm simply going to flatten it. And once everything is nicely flattened, then we are going to add a lot of cheese because this is a corn cheese recipe. Do not be stingy, just add as much cheese as you want. So here I'm literally adding 75 grams of mozzarella cheese. You can add whatever cheese you have in your house, but just add a lot of it because this recipe demands for a lot of cheese. And then we are going to sprinkle some chili flakes on top. Guys, if you're making it for kids, then you can always skip this step. And then once you have covered it with some chili flakes, let's put a lid on and let the corn and the cheese get infused with each other and let the cheese melt. And look at it, after about 2 minutes the cheese has completely melted and our dish is ready. Wasn't it the easiest, simplest starter recipe ever? Guys, you have no option but to make this recipe. You cannot give me any excuses why you didn't try this recipe because it is so simple and the ingredients are also so simple. and easily available. And now I absolutely cannot wait, so I'm going to remove it off the flame and I'm going to dive right in. Guys, do make this recipe, do share this recipe with your friends and family, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.